You're gonna see that shit for yourself.
All right, chat. So today, bro, we finna be doing some crazy shit. I got a lot of shit. Well, not a lot of shit planned, but I got two things planned for you. Me and my cousin, we finna be going to this restaurant called Rainforest Cafe. But I've been there before, but like I never been to one here in Vegas. I've been to one in where was that shit at? I think it was like downtown Disney, bro. That shit was fire though, but it was like a long ass time ago. So we finna be doing that. I'm gonna probably just record like a bit, like us getting there and shit, and then us like eating and shit, and then after that we were gonna try to hit up this fucking like haunted tunnels, bro. Just gonna be me and my cousin today, bro. But yeah, let's see what happens, bro. On God, if we die, bro. Type shit, but who the fuck knows, bro. But yeah, we're gonna hit up these haunted tunnels, bro. That they're like everything's like nearby, bro. So like we should be good. Everything's gonna be good. So yeah, that's what I got planned, bro. All right, I'll see you guys when I'm there, though. Quick. Says what countries people share this thing for? Which one is that? Do you know it?
Nah.
That's bullshit. Bro, damn, we have to keep going. Hawaii. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh God, that was like 15.
16?
14 or 16.
Yeah.
Correct answer is 14. Fuck. What does this count? Fuck is this? Follow the pumpkin. It's right here. Oh God, let's go. Correct answer is Command Center. Finished the lyric, girls just want to have fun. Which of the four? Holy shit. Bro's answering it before I even. Trash can. Which of these is none. Which artist dedicated?
Just pick some random.
It's not sexy being.
It's not easy.
Oh, it's not easy being what? Sexy, green, small.
I don't even know.
I'm blind as shit. I need to like squint. Green.
Isn't it mine?
Yeah. Oh, you're right. What the fuck? Oh, what the hell? It says, let me just capture a cow. Tap the button to capture a cow. Fucking got his bitch ass, bro. Congratulations, you captured a cow. I didn't know these were real. It's like your experience. What time is it? Which city is this? Summer, yeah. Paris, yeah. Country is this?
Where are you guys? Oh no, chill. Oh yeah.
It was Italy. Alright. Alright, thank you. Have a good night. Thank you so much. Alright, we've got to look for this shit, bro. So we fucking walking to this bitch already, bro. It's 6 minutes away. Yeah, we gotta just stay to the fucking left right
You got the direction?
here. Yeah, it's cause like I don't think we're supposed to be in here.
Are you sure?
Look.
About 15 minutes, bro.
It's cause Loki, that motherfucker took us wrong spot. I ain't gonna lie. Hop down, bro. Bro, I was recording in fucking, oh my god.
What?
I was recording in fucking time lapse, bro. I'm mad as shit. Alright, we should be here though. Should be straight, make a left. Alright, we finally made it, bro.
You're going that
Dude, oh god.
It was all good. You get the call for to go to the casino. I was about to take the kids.
Oh god. Where's this shit at, bro? I don't know where the fuck this shit's at, bro. Yeah, chat, bro. We fucking. Bro, my shit was on time lapse the whole fucking time I recorded that bitch. It'll probably look cool, but whatever. It says it in here. Just try to take the elevator. But yeah, we made a fucking reservation, bro, for this shit. Oh god, we're kind of a little late, bro. I don't even know.
Walk these stairs, on.
Yeah.
What's up? You got some weed in the bag?
Nah, just like water and shit.
Yeah, I need some weed. I got water that right here. That's the closest one. I got one here.
Yeah.
You from here, homie?
Yeah, I'm from here, bro.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
What you up to tonight?
Just gonna go eat at a restaurant, me and my friend.
That's what's up, homie.
Yeah.
What restaurant? Right here?
It's called, I think it's called Rainforest Café.
Oh, hell yeah.
Where's this shit at, bro? Right here. Hey.
Now we have a reservation.
So let's go. So walk up in. Alright, we fucking made it, bro. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Chat, that motherfucker was weird. It's like a whole fucking store down here, bro. What the fuck? What's going on, bro? What the fuck?
I'm trying to ruin that footage.
No, you're good. Yo, it's like a whole store downstairs. Yeah, this is the restaurant right here. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I'm fucking tired. Yeah, right here. They check us in. Yo. God damn. I'm actually fucking tired, bro.
We have a reservation for 6:30. Okay.
Is it cool if I got a backpack on?
The table's really close. You want us to check it out real quick? And then go?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. You guys okay with this?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Enjoy, guys.
Fuck, we fucking made it. Yo, this fucking. Oh god, I don't want motherfuckers. Alright, we made this shit, bro. Look at this bitch.
pictures of the menu.
You want a picture of the menu? Take it. I don't know, bro. I need like a little tripod too. I'm gonna be holding this bitch. That worked, man. I gotta pee. Yo, we're fucking tired, bro. Yo, we literally ran this bitch on God. We made it in time though. Fuck, it's fucking hot, bro. Yo, this place looks crazy, man. Alright, I'm gonna wait until we get our food and shit, and then I'm gonna like record more and shit. Well, we should start seeing where the tunnel's at too and shit right now. I'm gonna start seeing too. God damn. Bro, how come ours is the only one on? Bro, where the fuck are we at right now? Yeah, waterfall.
Yeah, monkey over there swinging.
That shit's crazy.
Sick, bro.
Alright, when we get our food and we're done eating, we're about to leave, we'll probably like walk around a bit and just to show you guys.
Get some close-ups.
Yeah, we'll show you guys more and shit right now. Yo, that's actually crazy. I don't know, it's crazy. What the fuck is that, yo?
That's a pig.
That's sick. You fucking know. Alright, look, alright, we got our fucking drinks, bro. Oh shit. This look crazy. It should look gas, I ain't gonna lie. It should look like alcohol, bro.
Because it's cup.
Yeah, it should look fire. Alright, we got our food, bro. Look at this shit. This shit looks fire as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. My boy's already digging in. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking look. This shit is fire too. Fucking raspberry lemonade, bro. That shit's gas, bro. Shit is so fire. Alright, I'm finna eat, but when we're done eating, we're finna walk around and just show like everything, like the restaurant and shit, and then we're finna go to the tunnel shit, and then we'll see you guys over there. Cause I'm trying to save the battery, bro. This shit finna die. What the fuck, bro? Oh, this shit is actually crazy. Yo, how big is this place? Hey, let's keep walking, let's keep walking. Oh, look how big this place is, bro. Oh. Fuck it, over here. Oh, shit. Oh, I don't give a fuck, bro. Sorry. Look at it. I'm gonna get this over here. I don't give a fuck. Oh, pretty cool. Anthony. It's Anthony. Yeah. Shit's sick. Look, he's getting this one. Look at this. It's fire. Alright, bet. Let's ask for the cops too. Okay. Meanwhile, go up. Shit.